Question 4. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. A is 5 minus 2 is x1 y1. B is 6 4 is x2 y2. C is 7 minus 2 is x3 y3. AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to root x2 is 6 minus x1 is 5 bracket square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is plus 2 bracket square is equal to root 6 minus 5 1 square plus 4 plus 2 6 square is equal to root 1 square 1 plus 6 square 36 is equal to root 37. BC is equal to x3 minus x2 bracket square plus y3 minus y2 bracket square is equal to x3 is 7 minus x2 is 6 bracket square, y3 is minus 2 minus y2 is 4 bracket square, 7 minus 6 1 square minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 square is equal to root 1 square 1 plus minus 6 square 36 is equal to root 37. AC is equal to x3 minus x1 bracket square plus y3 minus y1 bracket square is equal to x3 is 7 minus x1 is 5 plus y3 is minus 2 minus y1 is plus 2 bracket square is equal to root 7 minus 5 2 square plus 2 minus 2 0 square is equal to 2 square 4 is equal to root 4 means 2. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle.